Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing awesome. Today we're going to talk about TikTok viral Korean cleansing foams. Yeah, that's right, cleansing foams and not oils or balms or gel cleansers. I feel like kbeauty definitely takes the cake on their cleansing foams, as Korean themselves seems to obsess with deep cleansing, as they believe it to be the most important part of their super popular glass skin routine. Proper cleansing is the key to clear skin, and foaming cleansers are the best at that. Previously they used to be super drying and stripping and all, but nowadays as kbeauty is progressing more and more, their cleansers are also becoming more elegant. In this video we're going to talk about the most viral Korean cleansing foams and discuss which one is right for you and worth your money. So let's get started with the video. Let's start off with the Anua Heartleaf BHA Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. This went mega viral in 2022 along with their cleansing oil actually. And this duo right here actually made double cleansing popular worldwide. And they still are very popular. It is a BHA deep cleaning foam that is designed to clear out pores. Along with salicylic acid, it contains Heartleaf powder to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells and waste in pores. It also has a very unique ingredient called Querticol to calm the irritation caused by cleansing. It includes some patented anti-sebum ingredients like pine leaf extract, heart leaf extract, evening primrose flower extract, etc. to remove excess sebum. So you can definitely tell that it's formulated for oily, acne-prone, sensitive skin, which is definitely my vibe. I've been using this for 1 month straight and I've seen a massive improvement in my skin texture already. It has a creamy but refreshing texture that feels so elegant on the skin, very unlikely than typical foaming cleansers. As you can see, it has small particles of Heartleaf powder that gently exfoliates the skin. The lather on this one is absolutely delightful. I love a good cleanser that lathers like this. It gives me the satisfaction that my skin is actually clean. The texture, I guess, of this lather is actually dense but super refreshing. And it's creamy too. So satisfying. It makes the cleansing process that much more enjoyable. Cleanses deeply without the nasty squeaky feel, and my skin feels super refreshed and clean afterwards. This type of cleanser is a must-have for acne-prone skin. As it's not drying, dry skin people can also get away with using it. 10 out of 10 and I highly recommend. Next up, we have this Centella Ampoule foam, which is from their Centella line, obviously. It's a foaming cleanser targeted towards sensitive skin. Typically, sensitive skin and foaming cleanser doesn't really go hand in hand, as foaming cleansers are more deep cleaning and typically drying, but not this one, you guys. Have you ever felt burning, stinging sensation after double cleansing? Then this is gonna be the one for you. It's moisturizing but lathers up so well. Sometimes the lather becomes way too much and almost overwhelming. Cleanses deeply without the nasty squeaky feel, which is why it's so viral. Cause how can you be a foaming cleanser and not drying, you know? The absolute best cleanser for sensitive skin, and they must have, in my opinion, from Skin 104. Next up, we have the most interesting and innovative one out of them all. It's the Anua Rice Ceramide Powder Wash. It went massively viral this year for its super slimy, intriguing chewing gum-like texture. There's also an Enzyme Powder Wash. It contains rice powder and rice extract for brightening, ceramides for hydration and barrier reinforcement, and papain and lactic acid for exfoliating. This powder wash can be used as a wash-off mask or a daily cleanser. But even before I could use it as a rice powder wash, mine turned into an idli. And I'm not even joking, you guys. Just look at the texture. The packaging on this is absolutely horrible. I mean, what was even the need to package it like this? On top of that, it does not even have that like twisty locker system, so water gets very easily in and destroyed my entire cleanser. Stored it in the sink, I stored it in the shower, everywhere water gets inside. I mean, I did not buy it, I got it for free, but it's pretty expensive considering this shitty packaging. I have to like scoop it out of the jar with a spatula and then use it, which completely demotivates me. Rant aside, as a cleanser, it's a good one though. But I would say not good for acne-prone skin, as it leaves sort of a film on top of the skin. I'd recommend for dry, sensitive skin, but packaging-wise, I would recommend to nobody actually. Raise your hands and click the subscribe button if you have seen this one on your timeline at least once. This is the Arencia Rice Mochi Cleanser. People are going mental over this. On one hand, it's getting a lot of heat for overconsumption as super wasteful marketing. On the other hand, it's the most viral cleanser on TikTok in 2025 as of late. This has gone viral for a super interesting, stringy, chewy rice cake-like mochi texture. It literally looks edible. It looks kind of like pizza dough, which is kind of funny. So people went crazy over this. They have a lot of variety on this one, but I have the green tea one. The brand claims that this one acts as a cleanser, a makeup remover, and as a clay mask. It's pretty outrageous claims out there. It's a good cleanser, it does its job. It's one of those deep cleaning ones. It lathers up so well, cleanses deeply, and purifies the skin of dirt, oil, excessive sebum, and bacteria with a squeaky clean feel. So this is going to be very good for oily, acne-prone skin folks, as it has some pretty promising ingredients like green tea, rice extract, and kaolin clay. But too drying for dry skin, I would say. It removes light, non-waterproof makeup, but you do need a lot of product to actually remove them completely. I also don't like it as a clay mask. You need a lot of product to cover the entire face, and when you go to wash it, it lathers up so much, almost overwhelming that you cannot even breathe. So I think if you're falling for his claims and looking for an all-rounder cleanser that is gonna cleanse, remove your makeup, and act as a clay mask, then you would be heavily disappointed. But as a cleanser, it's a good one. Now let's talk about an OG. This is the Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. I feel like it's popular in certain regions, but not around the world. But it's very popular here in South Asia. It was one of the first Korean cleansers that went viral worldwide. And for a very good reason. It's the oldest one among them all, but quality-wise, it's really up there. Cosrx does not play around when it comes to their skincare products. It's a BHA cleanser, but the salicylic acid on here is very mild at like 0.5%, which makes it very gentle, daily exfoliating cleanser. Salicylic acid at a low percentage actually acts more as an antibacterial agent than exfoliating actually. I love using salicylic acid in a cleanser form because it works in a short contact therapy and cuts down on the irritation part of salicylic acid. And this cleanser is a perfect example of that. It is a daily gentle cleanser designed to remove impurities, excess sebum, and dead skin cells. Even though it's a foaming cleanser, it's not drying at all. I feel like even dry skin people can get away with using it. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Lastly, we have the Roundlab Dokdo cleanser. Please ignore the fact that I'm showing you guys the toner, as I used it like 2-3 years ago, so I don't have the bottle to show you guys. It was the best-selling cleanser in 2022, worldwide and in Korea. Retailers like Olive Young, YesStyle, and also Skin Cupid. It went viral because of its super creamy and dense lather, which cleanses deeply but does not feel dry. Ingredient-wise, it's also pretty simple and basic, which makes it perfect for sensitive skin. Highlight ingredient being deep sea water from Dokdo Island, which is rich in minerals. Overall, a very non-irritating, non-stripping cleanser, suitable for all skin types. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Had him say we can do it.